Madalas na, tapat mo pat.
Inasal. Sige, ikaw. Ay! Ingat nga, mo step siya sa kuan. Magsakay-sakay ta kalima na. Magsakay-sakay ta kalima. Hi. Welcome to Davao City.
Bibuhay, kaayaw na o. Dara mga banha. Aka mo magtapat. Si nanay magtapat ko. Mag-istorya mo na sila. Si Bikay. Hindi rin mag-istorya. Kamu nanay na magtapat. Kosero na yung mga banaan. Hindi makatawag ang driver.
Our one Bentley Eagle, the scientific name of Hylectus Yoko Gaster. Yoko meaning white and Gaster meaning belly. That's why they're called the white-bellied sea eagles. Now, white-bellied sea eagles can be found in Australia, Indonesia, India, and also here in the Philippines. White-bellied sea eagles are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. When they reach their adult size, it can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet or kasintang kanya po ni LeBron James. By the way, before we move on, ano ang pinakamalaking alag agila here in the Philippines? Largest eagle. Yes po, malapit po sila sa that is Pagaspas. And once again po, this afternoon, Pagaspas will show us how they hunt their food using a toy lizard. And ayun, Pagaspas. At dito yung lizard boy. Ayan, target lang, focus lang, and there he goes. Now, Philippine serpent eagles will target lang, dive bomb their prey, talons first. By the way, Philippine serpent eagles can distinguish venomous and non-venomous. And did you know that they are endemic po here in the Philippines? Meaning, dito lang po sa Pilipinas nakikita. Now, by the way, the scientific name po ng mga Philippine serpent eagles ay Spilornis holus pilus. Spilo meaning spotted and ornis meaning bird. So if you notice po, take a closer look po. Pagaspas has a lot of spots all over his body. Ayan. Now once again po, that is Pagaspas, our Philippine serpent eagle. Thank you so much, Kuya Jimar. Now, ayun lang po si Pao. Say hi po for Pao. Hi Pao! Come here. Go to Kuya Michael Boy. Ayan. Now once again po, say hi to Pao. And now once again po, that is Pao, our eastern grass owl. They have a scientific name of Phytologid membris. Did you know that the male grass owls have lighter facial disc? Lalaki po ay may lighter facial disc. While on the other hand, ang mga babaeng grass owls have brownish facial disc. Now, Pao, complete po yung Michael na. Ayan. Now once again po, we are still working with wild animals as much as we train them. We don't want to change their behavior. Now once again po, that is Pao, our eastern grass owl. By the way, grass owls have tubular eyes, meaning they cannot look up, down, right, or left, unlike us humans. However, they can turn their heads 270 degrees po. Unfortunately, Brahminikites, serpent eagle, and eastern grass owls are commonly termed Jumbo! Ayan, that is Jumbo po, our umbrella crested cockatoo with a sensitive name of Kakatua Alba, meaning older brother in Indonesia. Now, did you know that one of with a scientific name of Ana, because Barak will segregate his own waste po. Okay? Anong nandyan, kuya? A non-biodegradable. And lastly, biodegradable. And once again po, Barak will segregate his own waste. Ayan, paki-check, gumagana. Gumagana, Barak. Paki-check, Barak. And paki-check, Barak daw. Ayun, mukhang ayaw na i-check. Ayan, one last time, paki-check. Ayun, gumagana. Gumagana? Ayun, gumagana. Now, Kuya Cyril, ready na? Ready na. At the count of 3, lapag mo ng basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Ayun. Anong ginawa ni Barack? A piece of plastic. Saan ilalagay yung plastic? Ayun, non-biodegradable. Another one. A piece of leaf. Dahon. And there he goes. Biodegradable. Okay, may dalawa pa pala. Another piece of leaf. Dahon. And there he goes. Biodegradable. One last basura. Plastic. And there he goes. Non-biodegradable. Thank you so much, Barack, for showing us how to segregate our waste. By the way, blue and gold macaws are the 4th largest macaws in entire world. First is the blue hyacinth macaw. At dahil galing pa po ng Brazil si Barack, let's say bye-bye na po for Barack. Okay, mga ate kuya, let's say bye-bye na po for Barack. Bye-bye, Barack!
Bye-bye, Barack!
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Ay, gusto ko niya nag-sayaw. Ayun. Now, once again po, that is Barack. Our blue and gold will go with Kuya Cyril. A round of applause naman po for Barack. Thank you so much, boy. Ayan. Now, go! Para na. Thank you so much po. Now, sa mga hindi po marunong mag-bike, tuturuan din po tayo how to ride the scooter. No jungle kayo isyoas. Ayun. Hinay-hinay lang. Baka mahulog. Para na. Now you see guys, even our animals love to help our mother. Hornbill. Now we call on his brother na si JJ. JJ, come here. That is JJ. And that is Mr. Bill, or Philippine Gray Hornbill, the scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Mindanao meaning Mindanao, and nensis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. They're commonly found here sa South Cotabato and other parts of the Mindanao. And as you notice po, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. Now, this afternoon po, magpapakitang dinas si Mr. Bill at si JJ using their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for all of you. Okay, listen carefully. At the count of 3, you need to shout fly, okay? Dahil magpapakitang dinas ang ating mga kalaw. Now, practice muna. 1, 2, 3, and... Ayun, sila ate lang yung nakikinig. So, once again po, at the count of 3, shout, fly. One last practice. 1, 2, 3, and...
Fly!
Ayan, maintain that energy, ha? Okay, Kuya Dexter, ready na? Kuya Richie, ready na? Now, prepare your cameras. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and...
Fly!
Now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, they are actually in mating season. Nanliligaw ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nakatcha ng lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagupin at ito ng kalaw. Therefore, mas na-effort na kalaw ay magkaka-partner. And did you know that they're monogamous? Monogamous meaning once they found a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talaga. The one last time pa po, magpapakitang dinas ko po si Mr. Bill at JJ, okay? Now prepare your cameras. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and...
Fly!
Fly! Once again, wild animals, as much as we train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Daddy can take all his time for ayan. And nakaabot rin. By the way, Palawan Bearcats are endemic po here in the Philippines, specifically the Palawan. Hence their name, Palawan Bearcats. Now, did you know that their poop or their feces smell like a fresh popcorn? Yes po, pero wag lang po natin napitan ha, because we don't want to know, ayun na, come here. Na mahihain po si Uno, so pagbigyan na po natin ha. Ayan, come here na. Now take your time more. Once again po, we are still working with wild animals. Now while waiting po for Uno. You can also tag us and follow us at our official Facebook page. Davao Crocodile Park. Ayan, go boy! And nakaawa na si Uno. Ay, mukhang namin yung bago na si Uno. Let's go Uno! And, take your time, boy. By the way, the reason that there is very name because they're able to stand on their two hands. That's ating papakita yan Uno pag nakaabot na po siya, okay? By the way, omnivores po ang ating mga Palawan bear cats. Kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas, at karne. And did you know that the favorite fruit po ng ating mga Palawan bear cats is rambutan. Go, remember? Now, once again, now we call on Bonbon and Sai Sai.
Say. Nasa kanto sila.
Once again po, we are still working with wild animals as much as we train them, we don't want to change the behavior. At wala po raw sa ito sila Bonbon at Sai Sai. Nandito po raw sila sa harapan. They are playing hide and seek po. Baka nandiyan lang sa itaas. Or sa right, sa left nyo po, or under your seats, ilalim po na kukuha. Bonbon, Sai Sai. Nagutaguan ko, aking hanap naman po si Bonbon. Bonbon. Pero po kayo matawag ha, very gentle giants po sila. Yes po, giants po si Bonbon at Sai Sai. Pero po kayo matawag, very trained naman po sila. Okay, inhale, exhale. Huwag po tayo matawag. And follow us at our official Facebook page. Now we call on Bonbon and Sai Sai.
Say. Nasa kanto sila.
Once again po, we are still working with wild animals as much as we train them, we don't want to change the behavior. At wala po raw sa Bonbon at Sai Sai. Nandito po raw sila sa harapan. They are playing hide and seek po. Baka nandiyan lang sa itaas. Or sa right, sa left nyo po, or under your seats, ilalim po na kukuha. Bonbon, Sai Sai. Nagutaguan ko, aking hanap naman po si Bonbon. Bonbon. Pero po kayo matawag ha, very gentle giants po sila. Yes po, giants po si Bonbon at Sai Sai. Pero po kayo matawag, very trained naman po sila. Okay, inhale, exhale. Huwag po tayo matawag.